Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Obviously, let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the left we've got the off option with the off icon. So let's tap on it because this is the timer. At least try to tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to change the timer, to set the timer actually, just tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 seconds, so let me tap on it. Okay, and as you can see, the icon has changed. So right now we've got 10 seconds delay applied. So let's tap on the shutter button and check. Okay, and as you can see, right now your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 2 seconds. We've got the icon which has changed, so let's tap on the shutter button again. Oh my god, why we are struggling so much. And as you can see, the same situation, but right now it was counting down from 2. So let me turn off the timer, and let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, at least it should. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.